This is not a video about a list of websites from which you can make money from. This is not about multi-level marketing or pyramid schemes, or about selling your services in Fiverr or captioning videos to make some money. This is about how our life is going to be different after this coronavirus outbreak, and how the business and income streams you already have should adapt if you don't want to get left behind. So let's get into it right away. Hi, my name is Gio Scolo and welcome to MoneyBeat. First of all, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's help the YouTube algorithm a little bit. I truly believe a lot is going to change because of this pandemic. The work from home life is going to be the new normal. Several jobs that were normally done from office will adapt to its remote version, or at least your boss is going to be more open to consider this as an option. What's happening right now in the world has opened the eyes of business owners. If you run your own business, you should know what I'm talking about. If your enterprise is about selling physical products and you weren't prepared for home delivery, I'm pretty sure you're experiencing a difficult situation right now. If your business is a service that needs to be done at your place or in a commercial space, then I'm pretty sure it is not going well at the moment, as it is my case. As I've said before, I have an express photography service studio where you can have your photos taken wearing the Panamanian traditional clothing. This is a service that of course doesn't have a digital version, but we're still promoting special prices during this time. Buy it now and use it when the lockdown ends and everything's back to normal kind of thing. It's actually working. People love sales. So we are trying to adapt to this new world. Hear me out. The time to go digital is now. If your business didn't have social media, you now know you can't continue that way. Use this quarantine to create content for your business. If your business can only make money if someone comes through your door, then you better start thinking about some digital options for your venture. If after some serious thinking and brainstorming, you can't figure out a way of fitting your business into the digital version of itself, then you're going to have to find another business idea to complement the one you already have. That's probably your case if you work in the transportation business, for example. That's something that you can only do in person. So now you're in a place where you have to come up with a new idea to make money in a different way. There are a lot of ways of creating income from your home, and I will get into that in another video, but what I'm doing right now is just trying to open your mind to new options, to the new reality we are living in, and will be living through this 2020 and for years to come. The money has gone digital. So are you keeping up with the new norm? Is your business ready to make money online? And if it's not, what are you going to do about it? This coronavirus outbreak is going to take a while, a few months probably. How are you going to prepare for what's coming? If your business can't be done remotely, then what's going to be your additional income stream? If you don't have the answers to these questions yet, you should start looking for them. We all should. So now we have some homework to do, something to wrap our heads around. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you in any way, please like and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you soon in another video. Thank you.